ये है जी ऑर्बेक्स सर्विंग ट्रेडर रिस्पॉन्सिबली। तो ये आपके सामने देख सकते हैं, इनका सेटअप मैंने आप लोगों को यहाँ पे दिखा दिया है। लेट्स ट्राई कि हम किसी से बात कर सकें एंड वी विल स्पीक दैट क्या चीज़ ये ऑफर कर रहे हैं और क्यों कर रहे हैं एंड इसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे। सारा इनकी जो डिटेल्स है वो आप लोगों के सामने है, ठीक है। फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के पास 500 प्लस हैं, बाकी सारी चीज़ें आप लोग एट द ग्लांस सब कुछ पढ़ सकते हैं। ओके, लेट्स सी। अभी इस टाइम मैं ऑर्बिक्स के प्रेजेंस के सामने है। Why Orbex and why the new trader will join you? What you are offering?
Hi, first I will introduce myself. My name is Karina. I am Head of Business Development at Orbex. This year at the Expo, it's a very special time for us because we celebrate the 15th anniversary in the financial market. So we are a huge broker, one of the biggest broker in the Middle East. And you ask me, why Orbex?
Yeah, why Orbex?
The answer is very simple. At Orbex, our traders and education are the most important for us. That's why this year we are presenting at this Expo our own dedicated exclusive trading tools which are powered by artificial intelligence. You know, we live in the 21st century, yes, where technology is developing at an incredible pace.
Right.
So that's why this, AI.
More than 15 years you are here in the market.
Yeah, yes, this is what I said. It's our 15, anniversary.
In a simple word, what makes you different from everyone? Why?
This is what I started saying
Yeah.
now. At Orbex, we
Yeah.
care, about our traders, and we provide them the newest technology. We provide them trading tools which are powered by artificial intelligence. So my simple question, why we should start using, artificial intelligence in our trading? I will answer very simple. All the trading tools which are powered by artificial intelligence will make all the necessary technical analysis for you much more faster, and what is the most important, without any mistakes. So that's why we should use the new technology in our trading. So if you want to take your trading to the next level and you want to trade as a professional trader, definitely you need to use the technology, because the manual trading, I will tell you, it's a prehistory now. It's dinosaur style, and that's it.
Yes. And most of my viewers, actually, some people are new in the trading.
Yes.
So what is the minimum deposit? Like somebody want to come to your platform. So what is the minimum?
Yeah, of course. If you want to try our platform, our conditions, the minimum deposit is just $100, and you are welcome.
आप लोग ये प्लेटफॉर्म जो है ऑर्बिक्स सारा एक्सप्लेन किया, तो वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन, बट the base is the technology.
Yes, now, yes, everywhere. Yes, technology is meant to be, to be used, in our trading.
Thank you so much. Nice
Yeah,
to
thank
talk
you
to
so much.
I will share with this video on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है। ओके, लेट्स सी, इनसे बात भी करते हैं और क्या ये ब्रोकर जो है ऑफर कर रहा है।
Yeah, can we start again? Can we start again the video?
इनका कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल है। कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल के अंदर डिफरेंट इन्होंने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी बुलाए हुए हैं, ट्रेडर्स के बंदे भी आए हुए हैं, सब लोग हैं, स्पीकर्स हैं। लेट्स सी अंदर अभी क्या चल रहा है। ओके, खबरों के बारे में बता रहे हैं। एनएसपी जब रिपोर्ट आती है तो आपको पता है कि क्या चलता है मार्केट के अंदर।